Hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah. Up to yesterday, we are discussing demo classes. Today onwards, regular sessions we are starting. Now, slowly observe it here. Actually, in a Google, you are referring. In a books, we are referring. Oracle is a relational data model product. Everyone writing others only. SQL Server is a relational data model product. MySQL is a relational data model product. What is this data model? What is this relational data model? Terminology is most powerful. Anybody attending a what yesterday class side, I am telling a what two types of structures are there in every database. One is logical structure, another one is physical structure. Already have an idea or not? Yes. What is a logical structure? Means a structure which is not visible in operating system, but it is visible in a where database level. That is called logical structure. Now observe it here, concentrate here. What is data model? What is data model means very important. Data model specifies how data is represented at a logical structure of the database. Suppose here, this is a database only. This is a logical structure. Now observe it here. In this logical structure, always data is represented how? Yes, data is represented in the format of tables. That's why these are called records. These are called records. These are called columns only. That's why always data model specifies data is represented at a logical structure of the database. In a 1970 before 1960 to 1970, data is represented in the format of tree structure. Trees and graphs are there. That is a hierarchical data model, network data model is there. But 1970 onwards, relational data model is there. What is data model? How data is represented at a logical structure of the database. But in a 1970, EF code introduced a what? Relational data model. Relational data model means simple. Data is represented in the format of tables. Because he is a mathematician, he is represented data in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns are not. Yes, here. That's why always observe it here. Here, this theory observed here, data model specifies how data is represented at a logical structure of the database. Here, relational data model is a concept is there. That data model based only Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, Sybase, Informix, Ingress, Postgres. These all database softwares are invented. What is that relational data model means? In a 1970 year onwards, EF code introduced a relational data model. In relational data model, data is represented in the format of tables. Okay, in the format of tables. Simple. Yeah, now check it out. He is only introducing a what? One language for operating a what? To operate data in a relational data model. What is that language? SQL is a language. EF code only introducing a what? A specialized language for operating a what? Data in relational data model products. That language name is called what? SQL. Now observe it here. Concentrate. Up to this one, maybe so many fellows having idea. Now check it out. Concentrate here. So many fellows are interested to shift into non-technical field into where computer field, maybe IT field. In those type of situation, always they are interested to learn in a course because they doesn't know anything. In that case, in a who are settled in aware in their relative side only, who are settled in aware in a senior most employees in a college days or anything. Those persons they're asking me is which course I want to join because I'm a non-technical person. I want to interested to learn a what interest in a future interested to work in a IT field. But which course I want to join? Very easiest course. Tell me. Anybody asking me is so many 80% of the senior most employees who are settled in IT industry, they are suggesting better to learn any relational data model product first. They are telling only really correct. Why? Because coding is not there, difficulty is not there, Very easy. Either Oracle you are learning, SQL Server you are learning, DB2 you are learning, MySQL you are learning, your own wish. But relational data model products are very easy. Why these relational data model products are very easy? Reason is there? Yes, reason is there. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Every relational data model product mainly consists of only three components. Only three components are there. You are observing or not? Any relational data model product also, either Oracle or SQL Server, MySQL, any relational data model products also, main concepts are only three components. That's why is relational data model products are very easy means relational data model mainly consists of three components. What are the components are available means first observe it here. Concentrate here. These three components names are very important. Now check it out. For example, maybe so many fellows having idea this one. Suppose Oracle course you are learning in a today onwards, one of the stage we are starting, don't worry. Some fellows are learning about SQL Server course. Some fellows are learning about MySQL. These are all relational data model products from different companies. Okay, fine. Now check it out. In a Oracle, okay, one database object is there, table is there. Here also table is there, SQL Server. Here also table is there. What is table means? Yes, that is a database object. Suppose view is there in a feature. Here also view is available. Here also view is available. Same, observe it here. Here synonym is a database object is there. Here also synonym is a database object is there. Here also synonym is a database object is there. Here procedure is a database object is there. Here also procedure is a database object is there. Here also procedure is there. Here function is a database object is there. Here also function is a database object is there. Here also function is a database object. That's why what is the first component in any relational data model product means always collection of database objects. It contains collection of database objects. Suppose you are a first time newcomer also, what is table, what is view, what is synonym, what is procedure, what is function, what is trigger, what is package, what is index, you have an idea means where we are using in a project side, you have an idea, then you are also operating. Syntaxes are different, slides are different in different databases, but conceptually same or not? Yes, here. That's why always collection of database objects are available. First component, that one only. Here collection of database objects, tables, views, synonyms, these are all the things. Maybe some fellows having idea tables. Okay, yeah, here. Next component, which component is there means very easy. Suppose anybody good at what? C, C++, Java, these type of languages means always in those languages side, so many operators we are using. Set of operators, you have an idea? Arithmetic operators, relational operators, okay, logical operators, you have an idea? No? Yeah. Same like here also in a databases also in relational data model product side also in a Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL you are learning also set of operators are there. Arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, special operators are there. Not only less than, not only greater than, not only is equal to, not only a vocation of here and or, but also some special operators are there. Exist is a special operator in every database. In is a special operator. Is null is a special operator. Again, like is a special operator. Here between is a special operator. Again, same like a mathematics union all, intersect, minus, these operators are there. That's why always, not only arithmetic, not only relational, not only logical operators, but also as special operators are there. Through these operators, we are operating a data in a relational data model products. That's why what are those operators, you have an idea, then automatically you are also, I am also operating a what? A data in a where? Relational data model products. That's why second one is what? Set of operators are there. Third one, everyone knows. Anybody attending our previous demo classes? Already I told no. Yes, relational data model products are works based on what? Set of rules. This third one is most important. As the first two are very easy or not. That's why anybody good at what? Rules in a where relational data model product side, those persons are never facing any problem in a interview side. Otherwise, never facing any problem in a where in a project side only. That much of easy. That's why relational data model mainly consists of only three components are available. Okay, na? Yeah, here. Now, today onwards, we are starting a what? Regular session. Now, based on that knowledge, a terminology, observe it here. Concept. First observe it here. Today, what are the what are the tools are there? Those all the things you are understandable. Suppose today onwards, anybody not attending the previous classes also, don't worry. Just today onwards, observe it here. Oracle 19C software. What is Oracle means? Oracle is one of the relational data model product or relational database, which is used to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Suppose I am also, you are also operating a what a relational data model product. Otherwise, Oracle means then we are using a which languages? SQL is a language, PLSQL is a language, and another one is what? A dynamic SQL language. Up to this one, take a snap. Anybody interested means take a snap. This one through the mobile. First time non-technical person. Okay, na? Up to this one, you have an idea, no? Daily you are discussing in a previous 4 or 3 classes onwards. Okay, anybody newcomers means take a snap fast. This one. Completed. Did you complete this one? Take a snap through mobile. Okay, yeah. Okay, newcomer purpose. Hello, hello, hello. Did you complete this one? Hello, hello, hello. Yes, now onwards, concentrate. Now onwards, newcomers concentrate. Concentrate here. Up to this one, everyone knows. Now check it out. Now onwards, different. Suppose Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. That is a relational data model product. SQL is a language which is used to operate data in a Oracle database. Everyone knows. Okay, up to now, so many times repeating. But unfortunately, in my screen, observe it here. Here. In a screen only, in a desktop, some other thing is there. Check it out slowly, observe it here. 1 minute, check it out. Here something is there. What is this one? Very good. SQL plus. What is this one? Anybody having idea? In a Java developers, tell me what is this one? What is this one? SQL plus something is there. Very good. One fellow is telling only this one. This is a client tool. 100% correct. This is a client tool or query tool. What is this one? How you are understandable this one means, I will tell you now. One by one, I will tell you. Now, observe it here. Concentrate here. The tool we are installing a what explicitly? No. Whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically that tool is there. Another tools are not there. Which tool is available? What is that one? I will tell you one by one. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Very, very important now onwards. Slowly observe it. Slowly, non-technical persons carefully observe today class. First class, now observe here. Suppose I am installing a Oracle software in my system. Slowly observe here. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. Oracle software in my system. Then automatically some place is reserved in a disk. That is container created. That is called Oracle database. Don't worry. Some place. Okay. Yeah. Now I am a user, for example. I am also, you are also one user or developer or end user, anything. Okay. Yeah. Now this user wants to store some data into where this Oracle database. To store some data into where this Oracle database. Otherwise, this user wants to fetch means retrieve, fetch some data from this Oracle database. Then this user uses a what? Two-step process. That is so many fellows are doesn't know. Whenever any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then that user uses a what? Not a single step, two-step process. Very, very important this one. Two-step process. What are those two steps means? Concentrate here. Step one, connect is a step. What is that connect step? Today I will tell you. Connect is a step is there. In this connect step only, one of the popular tool example, SQL plus tool. I will tell you what is SQL plus, where it is available, we are installing explicitly or not. Those all the things I will tell you. Another tools also I will tell you today. Okay, simple. Any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then that user uses a what? How many step process? Two-step process. First one is what? Connect step. In that connect step, example is one of the example is SQL plus tool. Again, second step is communication is a step. Observe here, communication is a step. Here, communication step only. In that communication step, always they are using a what? Some languages, SQL, comma, PLSQL languages. Maybe roughly 100, SQL, comma, PLSQL languages. By using these languages, we are operating a data in a database. First, connection is important. What is that one? How we are connecting? I will tell you. After that one only installation, I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay? Yeah, because some terminology required. And now observe it here. That's why here, observe here, if any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then that user uses following two-step process. Firstly, observe here. Step one, connect step. Example, SQL plus tool. Communication is a step two is there. SQL, PL, SQL languages they are using only. Okay. What is that connect step? I will tell you diagrammatically today. Take a snap. Any non-technical persons are there? Take a snap. This terminology later you are reading also understandable. Take a snap this one. Okay, yeah, completed. Yes. Now check it out. Concentrate here. What is this connector step? Slowly observe it here. Some terminology I want. Why? Because different tools are there. Through the diagrammatically you are understandable. Finish this one. Yeah. Now step one, connector step. Observe it here. Concentrate here. Don't write it. 5 minutes concentrate because so many things are there here. Now, whenever I'm installing a Oracle software, automatically one container is created. That is Oracle database. I know, you know, everyone knows. But unfortunately, I am also, you are also thinking, and now check it out, observe here. Suppose this is a user is there. This user wants to perform some operations in a Oracle database. Then they are using a what? Which language? Which language? Which language? Which language? Very good. SQL is a language. I am also, you are also thinking like this only. Wrong one. Any user also directly interacting with the what Oracle database impossible because this is a database server. Is a database server, Oracle server actually. Whenever server interaction means directly users are does not interact with the servers. Client server architecture is required. That's why here first this user first connect to the where client tool is required. Client server architecture this one. First users are connect to the where client tools. Then only client tools through they are connect to the where this server. Very important. Here client tools are required. What are those client tools? What is that one? Miss, I will tell you. Now check it out. Concentrate here. This diagram is most powerful. Slowly I'm trying, then you are understandable. Suppose I'm installing a Oracle software. So many times I'm repeating, observe here. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle DBMS software, then automatically one place is reserved in a disk. That is a container, that is database, Oracle database. Slowly observe here. This Oracle database is nothing but a what? A collection of database objects are there. Maybe this is a table is there in a feature, views are there, procedure is there, function is there, trigger is there, package is there, index is there, synonym is there, okay, cluster is so many database objects are there. These are nothing but collection of database objects. These are nothing but a collection of database objects. Collection of collection collection of database objects. Database objects. Collection of database objects. Now check it out. Concentrate here. First, users are there. Okay, yeah. These users are first connect to the where client tool. What are those client tools you are installing or not? I will tell you. Don't worry. Here now check it out. Here, first users are connect to the where client tools. Client tools. Once users are connect to the where client tools, then only through this client tool, through username and password is there. Don't worry. Through that one, they are connect to the where server. Once they are connected to the server, then only they are allowed to perform operations by using a what? SQL is a language. SQL language. SQL means structured query language. Up to this one, everyone knows. But unfortunately, what are the client tools are available? Those names are very, very important. First one, examples of the client tools I will tell you. Most powerful. This is so many fellows are doesn't have an idea. Observe here, examples. These examples purpose, slowly I am drawing the diagram. What are the client tools are available? Means first tool is SQL plus is a tool. SQL star plus or SQL plus client tool. But this tool you are not required, I am not required to install explicitly. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, automatically that tool is available. That's why this tool is also called as default tool. This tool is available in a where anybody installing a Oracle software also 100% this tool is available. That's why this is called default tool. Oracle provided this tool only. This is a common tool. But this tool is a what? A command line interface, the same like a DOS prompt only, commands you are typing only. I will tell you. But unfortunately, in a project side, explicitly they are installing another tools also, better debugging purpose, so many reasons purpose only. But unfortunately, those tools are GUI tools, graphical user interface tools, same like a Windows Explorer. Okay, so now here graphical user interface is there. Now observe here, what are the popular tools are available? Anybody have an idea? Yes, explicit tools these are. What is that one means? You know, last 8 years, 9 years back, Toad is a tool so many companies are using. Toad, still so many companies are using Toad tool only. This is from Quest software. You want this tool means explicitly you are installing from the net. The pirated software is there. Otherwise, trial software is there. You are downloading from the net and you are installing explicitly. You are interested. You are experienced person. Company side means they are providing. Don't worry. Again, compared to Toad tool, latest nowadays you are a latest programmer means what is the popular tool means SQL developer is a tool. This is a regularly used tools in nowadays industry side. Again, another one is PLSQL developer is another tool is there. Another tool is SQL navigator is a tool is there. Navigator is a tool. That's why except SQL plus, these all tools are, except SQL plus, these all tools are GUI tools, graphical user interface tools. Okay, now SQL plus tool is a what? A default tool is available. And now here, check it out. Here, now here, if any user wants to perform some operations in Oracle database, then those users first connect to where? Oracle database by using client tool. Okay, now take a snap this one. Very good. Something to say. Okay, yeah. First step one, connect the step. Better. Okay, yeah. Now check it out here. Better to this terminology is better. Okay. Okay, observe here this diagram already another batch side. I am drawing only users first connect to the client tool, through the client tool, through they connect to the server. Is here SQL language they are using. What are the client tools examples means SQL plus tool is a default tool. another tool stored, SQL Developer, PL, SQL Developer, SQL Navigator, except SQL plus tool. These are all the tools explicitly you are an experienced person means you are also installing, not a problem. These tools are called GUI tools, graphical user interface tools. These are collection of database objects. Take a snap this one. Okay, terminology purpose. Okay, yeah, very good. What is this SQL plus tool means? I will tell you because you are a first time newcomer. No, suppose you are interested to view those another tools means GUI representation is there. For example, Toad is a tool is available in SQL Server also. Toad is a tool is available in where MySQL also. Toad in a Google you have to check it out. Toad tool for Oracle or SQL Server or anything. Images observe it here at least. Yes, observe it here. These type of GUI representation is there. Graphical user interface. This total frog symbol only is there. Okay, now observe it here. This is the way. Anybody installing means yes, possible, but first time. Okay, yeah. Now Toad is a tool for SQL Server also. This tool is available. Oracle side also this tool is available. These are graphical user interface tools. Now check it out. How you are installing a what Oracle software, I will tell you. Don't worry. Now, first, you are a good professional means always you are learning about SQL plus tool. Observe it here. Whenever we are installing Oracle software, then automatically SQL plus tool is created. That's why SQL plus is a default tool. You have an idea? No? Now, what is that SQL plus tool? I will tell you. Take a snap this one. Daily through the tool, we are interacting with the server. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Maybe so many fellows are lately connected. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose don't read it. Just observe what is SQL plus means. I try to install a Oracle software in a future after 1 or 2 days after you are also installing. Don't worry. Okay. I will tell you how you are installing or anything. Once I am installing a Oracle software in my system in a Windows side, how you are installing, I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay. Just observe here. Here, Oracle folder is there here like this. Here only SQL plus tool is available or not. Check it out. Yes. Just I'm installing a what Oracle software, automatically SQL plus tool is created. How you are installing a what Oracle software means one of these stage you are familiar. Don't worry. Here already I'm downloading a what this Oracle software folder. Don't worry. Where it was available or anything, I will tell you here. Setup.exe file is there. Okay, Oracle software. Oracle site we are going only in a feature, just in that one folder is there, we are downloading, then automatically installation will start only. Don't worry, that setup.exe file is there. 1 minute wait only. Okay, it will take time. Once we are installing a what Oracle software automatically SQL plus tool is created. Here, observe it here. Oracle database. Okay. Yeah, here something is there. One by one, I will tell you. Now check it out. Once we are installing a what Oracle software like that, how we are installing, I will tell you. Screen observe it. Here, screen observe it here. Automatically, here this folder is created. Here, Oracle ORADB home like this. Just we are clicking this one. Automatically, SQL plus tool is there. But why SQL plus tool is so many fellows are not interested to work experienced person means this is a command line interface. But pressure level first time newcomer compulsory they are learning. Observe it here. SQL plus command line interface same like a DOS prompt. Here observe it here. Yes. Here some usernames and passwords are there. Which username, which passwords I will tell you. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Once they are providing about username and passwords, default username, default passwords also I will tell you. Then only those users are connected to the where Oracle database. What is this enterprise edition, express edition? I will tell you. Don't worry. Once they are connected to the where Oracle database, internally database is there, this database, then only they are performing operations by using a what? SQL is a language like that. Okay, na? Yeah, here. That's why this is a command line interface, not a graphical user interface. Now observe it here. SQL plus tool is their example because first we are learning SQL plus tool only. Some terminology required based on that one. Installation I will tell you after settings only. Some settings are required SQL plus tool. Observe it here. 1 minute only, easily understandable. SQL plus tool example. SQL plus is an interactive query tool installed automatically. Already I told no. Oracle Corporation also same theory they are giving. SQL plus is an interactive query tool installed automatically when you install Oracle software. SQL plus has a command line interface that allows users to connect to Oracle database server and execute statements interactively. Already I show recently, no, some commands, something only. Okay, take a snap this one. One minute only, 1 minute only. Actually, you are a olden days programmer means 9i, 10G, 11G, those type of olden days software side you are installing means always one another thing is there. Here start Oracle ORADB home one is there. Don't worry. Okay, here immediately SQL plus tool is not there. Here application development is a tab is there. After that one, then we are clicking application development. Then only SQL plus tool is opening. Okay, na? But nowadays directly SQL plus tool only. Those two navigations better to know. Suppose this 19C latest software side means here once we are installing a what Oracle software. In a Windows side, start programs, Oracle, ORADB, home one is there, SQL plus tool. But whenever you are installing a olden day softwares, 10G, 11G, 12C means here application development is extra tab is there. In this one, SQL plus tool is there. The difference observe it here. Olden days and nowadays, both the things take a snap. Okay, up to this one is enough. First class, no? Yeah, here. Anybody newcomers attending today also, don't worry. These are all the things once time you are reading means easily understandable. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining things. Tomorrow continue. Thank you. Don't miss those classes up to installation after some commands you are typing means then only your own way learning also not problem. Up to some stage properly observe it. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow continue. Thank you. Yes, we are installing a what anywhere also. In Apple and MacBook, I am not telling a what in a process. Only Windows side I will tell you. Okay, now these are free classes. Yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Thank you.